Children, welcome back. Today we are going to study subject English grammar, chapter number 8, verbs part 1. So students, verbs is not a new chapter for us. Okay, it is not a new topic. You have been studying it since your childhood. Okay? Verbs we use in our day-to-day life when we speak sentences, right? And when we frame a sentence, we write down a verb. जैसे कि is, am, are, was, were, and eat, jump, dance, write, speak, listen, etc. Okay? So this kind of verb we daily use in our life. So देखा जाए तो verb is very much important to frame a sentence. So let us see in detail about verb. It is a word which says something about a subject. What is a verb? It says something about a subject. जो subject के बारे में हमें कुछ बताता है, ठीक है? It tells us about the subject. जैसे मैं कहूँगा he is reading. अब reading से पता चलता है क्या कौन कर रहा है. So it tells us about the subject. Subject के बारे में. जैसे he is reading. So he वो particular person क्या कर रहा है? He is reading. फिर मैं कहूँगा she is dancing. तो वो क्या कर रही है? डांस कर रही है. So verb, in short, verb tells us something about the subject. Okay. Then further, it denotes an action, being or possession. तीनों चीजें हमें पता चलती है verb के द्वारा. Okay. It tells us the action, then the being and the possession. ये डिटेल में हम याद देखेंगे क्या है, ठीक है? Then it is the most important word in a sentence. As I told you before, most important. बिना verb के sentence possible नहीं है. Sentence is meaningless. Subject क्या कर रहा है, कैसे पता चलेगा? वो किस position में है, वो क्या कर रहा है, ठीक है? या तो वो कौन से condition में है? That will only known by the help of the verb. So without verb, sentence is incomplete, or it is not possible to frame a sentence. Okay? For example, by using these three things, we will make sentence. By using the action word, जैसे the boys play cricket. The boys play. Over here, play हमें बताता है, ठीक है? It tells us about the boys, about the subject that boys play cricket. वो क्या कर रहे हैं? They play. वो खेलते हैं, right? So verb tells us about the subject. Take another example. He is a clever boy. He is a clever boy. So the word tells us about his condition. वो कैसा है? He is a clever boy. Regarding his, okay? So being यहाँ पर use किया गया. Next for possession. Rahul has a new car. Okay? Word has over here tells us the possession of something. Okay? He has or what he has. So these are the three different examples. We will see them in detail afterward. Okay? So these are the verbs. Okay? देखो अगर इन्हें हम हटा दें तो sentence possible नहीं है. He clever boy, Rahul a new car. Meaning clear नहीं होता है. Meaning is incomplete without the verb. So verb is very much important. Okay? So verb shows us action, being and possession. Three things. Let us see these three things in detail. Primarily, verb is of three kinds. Okay? Verb is of three kinds. That is doing verb, being verb and having verb. Okay? वही तीनों चीजें हम यहाँ पढ़ने वाले हैं. Starts with doing verb. What is doing verb? It indicates the action or verb done by the subject. ठीक है? Subject के action को या उसने जो क्रिया की है उसको बताया जाएगा with the help of verb. Okay? And they are the main verb. वो main verb होते हैं. For example, you can write down the words, not the example. I am going to write down only the words. जैसे कि eat, play, walk, jump, etc. Okay, sing, dance, see, hear, speak, sing, etc. All these are called as doing verb. They show us action. जैसे eat, play, walk, jump. They show us action or they show us work. ठीक है? So they are called as the doing verb. In other word also हम उन्हें main verb के नाम से भी जानते हैं. Okay? We will see them in detail afterwards. So for time being ये हम इन्हें कहते हैं doing verb. Okay? Next is about being verb. It indicates the being or existence of the subject. जो subject के existence को बताते हैं. और वो कौन से verb हैं? Is, am, are, was, were, etc. These are the words which will tell us the existence of the subject. जैसे he is a boy. ठीक है? I am a teacher. In this way it shows the existence of the subject. Subject को reflect करते हैं. The last is having verb. It indicates the having or possession of something by the subject. है ना? हम पढ़ रहे थे possession. It shows us possession of something. और कौन से verb आते हैं इसमें? Has, have, had, etc. Are the verbs? Are these the words? Which are the verbs which comes under having verb? Okay, students. So in this video we have studied about the verb. We have seen the meaning for that, the importance of that with the 3 examples. Also we have seen the primarily the main distribution or the division of verb, that is doing verb, being verb and having verb. एक छोटे से meaning को हमने 3 parts में divide किया. In this way you can see the verb in different forms. So students, that's all for today. I hope you understood it. If any doubts or difficulty, we will sort it out in the Google. Till then, take care and bye.